Hello and welcome back to SciTi Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a very simple 9-volt battery toy car with using a few simple parts. Let's get started. And these are the items you're going to need to make for this project. The items you're going to need: a 9-volt battery, a 9-volt battery clip, a slide switch, a DC motor, some pieces of cardboard that are shaped as wheels, and this paintbrush, which is a perfect diameter to fit inside of this straw, which will connect to these cardboard wheels, which will be used as the axle for this toy car. Now let's go ahead and assemble this project and let's get started. First, I'm going to take the DC motor and the slide switch, solder in one of the pins of the slide switch to one of the terminals of the DC motor. Next, take a 9-volt battery clip, solder one of the wires to one of the pins of the DC motor. However, polarity doesn't matter. Solder the wire into place, and then solder the second wire over to the center pin of the slide switch. And there, it should look just like this. Next, put a little bit of hot glue on the back of the DC motor. Next, take the 9-volt battery and glue the DC motor to the end of the 9-volt battery. And it should look just like this. Next, I want to take these two pieces of cardboard and glue them to the 9-volt battery. Take some hot glue and put 2 drops of hot glue going like this. Take the piece of cardboard and glue it into place just like this. And there, it should look just like this. And as you can see, I made a slight mistake because the slide switch is in the wrong position. Easy fix, just simply switch it. And there, it should look just like this. Next, I want to take the paintbrush and I want to measure the length of the shaft of the DC motor, and I want to cut the paintbrush to make it the same length. Right there is where I need to cut, and simply cut it just like this. Perfect. Just need to make some adjustments right here since it's flat. And there, that looks a lot better. Next, I'm going to take some hot glue, put a little bit of hot glue onto the cardboard. And I'll take this straw and glue it into place. Wiggle it around to make sure the hot glue has perfect contact. Try my best to make sure it's nice and straight. Add some more hot glue to glue down the straw. And as you can see, the straw is now glued into place more securely. Make some adjustments to the straw to make sure it's perfectly parallel with the shaft of the DC motor. And as you can see, it is perfectly parallel. And now take the paintbrush stick and put it through the straw. Very nice. And now take these cardboard wheels and glue them into place. Next, take a dab of hot glue and put it onto the dot of these cardboard wheels. And I'll take the paintbrush and glue it into place, making sure that it's in a perfect 90-degree angle. And I'll take the cardboard wheel and put it onto the DC motor. And now comparing the distance between the 2 cardboard wheels, and as you can see, they're a little too close. That's an easy fix. Let me show you how. Simply go and cut the paintbrush. And what I need to do is make the paintbrush stick a little bit longer. This one's too short. The longer one will work a lot better. And now glue everything into place. Add some hot glue to these wheels. And now glue them to the shaft of the DC motor. Wiggle it around a little bit. Make sure everything is perfectly straight. Make some adjustments to make sure it's perfectly in a 90-degree angle. And there, as you can see, that looks very nice. Next, take the paintbrush axle, put it through the straw. As you can see, a slight problem, the paintbrush axle is a little bit too long, which means it moves back and forth, which I don't want it to do. An easy fix, cut out some spacers from the straw, which is the same size, so that way it can act like a perfect spacer. Put it in just like this. And because of these spacers, it'll prevent it from moving around too much. And I'll take this wheel and glue it into place. And there, as you can see, that's a lot better. And there, the project is now complete. And there, it should look just like this. Take the 9-volt battery clip, plug it in, and as you can see, the switch is off. So now all I have to do is turn on the switch. Now let's go ahead and test it out. And there you have it. Now you know how to make a very simple 9-volt battery toy car with using a few simple parts. Thank you for watching SciTi Tech. I hope you learned something new, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and of course click on the bell icon to be notified of future SciTi Tech videos. To the next tech, goodbye.